Good morning. It's 9:45. And she's here. As fast as lightning. Hi. How are you? We're going to go and see the vet. Ready for your shot? Okay. I'm going to have my coffee now. I was washing my hairbrush. I soaked it yesterday. Finished washing it. Going to have my coffee. We will leave about 11:15. Because Auntie will use the bike to send food. But if it does start raining, then I have to book a Grab. Hopefully can get a driver who won't mind taking us. Not easy traveling with pets here unless you have your own transport. It's not like what I watch happening there. You can take your dogs to the supermarket. Not here. Okay, I go and have my coffee. Wait, I'll talk to you soon. Coming.